Learn English. Welcome to English 8K Vocabulary. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Saturday, February 8th. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1 is flowing water, and number 2 means to do something 2 times. Please listen and write this in your notebook. The river is cold. The river is cold. River, R-I-V-E-R. A river is moving water. Now we can make a flashcard for river. Please write river up here in the top left corner. Down here in the bottom left corner, N1. This means noun, level 1. Over here in this corner, the number 145 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. River. River. What about you? Do you live near a river? Let me know in the comments. Now, word number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. I will go to China twice. I will go to China twice. Twice. I will go there, come home, and then go there again. I will go there 2 times. Now we can make a flashcard for twice, once. Please write the basic form up here in the top left corner. To do something twice. Down here in this corner, the code, ADV1. This means adverb, level 1. Over here, the number 38 out of 42. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red letters sound like I. Twice. Game over. It is time to go. How do you spell river? R-I-V-E-R. Very good. Did you swim in a river before? Let me know in the comments. And number 2 is to do something twice. Very good. This means 2 times. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1 is frozen water. Very good. Number 2, uncountable noun. For example, water. Pens are countable, but water and milk are Uncountable, yes. And the last one means to get something. Very nice. The missing letters are C, and the bottom one also C. My name is Vinny from Canada. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. We have 25 classes every month. 25 in March, 25 in April. Please write your language on the other side.